Hi Danish, good morning.
Hi Megha, good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm perfectly fine. It's great to find you back.
Me too.
Okay. So the last time we were in the class, we did this activity called picture comprehension, and
Yes,
we did two photographs, and it was interesting, right?
right. Was
Okay.
it
Uh-huh.
was
Right.
amazing.
It is a fun activity, to be honest. Everybody enjoys that activity. I have
Yes.
been doing that activity for like say 5 years now, and I still haven't lost interest in it because it's so interesting. Okie dokie. So, make sure when I rectify you, when I give any correction, note it down and repeat the same thing. Right?
All
When
right.
you'll repeat it, you'll get the correction, and the other time you speak the same, you'll remember that that time it
Yes.
went incorrect, and now I have to correct it. Okay, cool. So our today's activity is going to be yet another activity brought to you by Pingolearn, and this is going to be a what if activity.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm curious to know about it.
Yeah. So it is actually called a what if activity. I'll share my screen with you so that you'll be able to see what it all is about. Okay.
Today I'm going to focus complete.
that's,
Yes.
that's lovely.
I
That's
don't
lovely.
want to miss. I don't want to miss anything.
You won't. You won't. You won't. No, no. Okay. Here is the screen. I hope it's clear and visible. Let
Yes.
me
Yes.
just slide your picture up here. Um, yeah, perfect. Okie dokie. So here we are with the what if. Now,
Right.
what is what if in your understanding, first of all?
Okay. What if? That means that means so anything can happen. There
Correct.
is no limit. There will be any kind of situation we have to face. I think so. What if?
Okay.
Or like,
How do you,
yeah. Or like, we can imagine some hypothetical kind of situation.
yeah,
Like we use our imagination power to describe something or to create something
right,
like
right,
this.
right. So basically, what if translates to क्या होता अगर,
Yes.
है ना? So it's
Yes.
basically all about your imagination. So put on your imagination cap, and that would be like extremely helpful to you in this whole activity. So what if questions are always fun, right? This might involve a lot of brainstorming. I don't expect you to come up with the right, the correct answer at all. There is no correct answer when it comes to what if, right?
Yes.
I don't even expect you to come up with a very quick answer because, imagination can take some time. We can let our mind roam around, the meadows of imagination and come up with something interesting, right? So
Okay.
this would take time.
All right.
What you need to do is you will get a topic and you'll get to think about it, right? You don't have to worry that whatever you're saying is making sense or not,
All
right?
right.
It's your imagination. You own it, right? You don't have to, get it like even verified or even checked. Like, is it correct? Am I imagining the right thing? There is no right thing here. Okay.
Okay.
So when I ask you a question with what if, you can tell whatever your heart says. You can actually express your mind, right?
Yes.
So speak freely. Make sure
Okay.
you take some time. Okay, you take some time. If required, you can take some notes. Whatever you think of, whatever you come across, you can put it down on the paper. You can keep a track of the things you will say about this question,
Okay.
right? Don't worry that you have to give a quick response. Even if you take like good 2 minutes and the video is like on silent, nobody's speaking, do that for the sake of this activity, for the sake of
Okay.
imagination, right?
All right. All right.
Okay, great. I hope you understand the activity.
Yes,
You
yes,
totally understood it, right?
yes.
Okay. Okie dokie. So this is your very first question. It says, what if you could find a cure for a disease? What if? क्या होता अगर? Right? What if you could find a cure for a disease? Which one would it be? Or which one would you want to cure?
All right.
Right? Take some time, make some notes, and we can let it sit. Okay?
Okay.
Do you need some help?
No, I'm thinking about this question. Okay. So,
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
all right. All right.
Okay. A quick disclaimer.
Okay.
We should know how to deal with what if questions.
All right.
Okay. So, what if questions are basically, of course, they are based on imagination. So, we use a grammatical concept here, a special grammatical concept, which is called subjunctive.
Sorry, I didn't.
In French, it's called subjunctive, and in English, it's called subjunctive.
Subjunctive.
Yeah, subjunctive. So a subjunctive mood is largely about imagination. Over here, in this case, it's about
All right.
imagination. So you will not say anything like, I will do this.
I need to use would.
Yeah, you need to use would. You won't say मैं करूंगी. You would say मैं करती.
I would do.
हाँ, this would happen. I would do that, and this could happen. ऐसा हो सकता. Not like ऐसा होगा.
So, I can use could also
You can use
here to
could.
explain.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
use would.
All right. Any other
Right?
word was
You can just conjugate all of this, like people would be, I would have,
okay. Okay.
right? Just don't use will.
Okay. Okay. And one more thing I want to ask. If I use would have, that time I need to put third form of verb.
Grammatically, yes. Yeah, if you
Okay.
can say like it would have been great. So been is the verb third
Would
form.
have. Yes. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you start? Let me
Okay.
just grab a pen so that I can note down some mistakes if there are any. Okay, okay. Yeah, all set. You can start when you're comfortable. Okay.
Okay. All right. So the question is, what if you could find a cure for a disease? Which one would you want to cure? Okay.
Hmm.
So if I would find a cure for a disease, so I would like to cure first of all myself. Okay. Uh, Reason behind it, um, like in this scenario, I would uh, invent something new. So I would make sure that people have trust on my vaccine or medicine or cure. So uh, uh, to to win that trust,
Right.
I to win that trust, I I I feel that I would be the first one which need to be cured. So I would have trust from people,
Hmm.
and then I would create a big business. I
Nice.
and
Nice.
I would earn lot of money because I have a cure for a disease, and it is like it would like for me. Sorry, it would.
For me, it would be like
Yeah, for me it would be like um um I didn't get the proper word.
a
mm,
dream come true.
no, it's
No.
not like that. It's like I get a machine. I can. Uh, can I say in Hindi?
Yeah, yeah.
I would feel that I have a machine जिसमें मैं पैसे छाप सकती हूँ.
I I would feel that I have got a money making machine.
Yes, money
We call it
making
a
machine.
money making machine.
And after curing myself, I would prefer I would prefer to cure our prime minister of
Okay.
my country.
Okay.
Yes, because I also feel if my uh, prime minister would cure by my medicine or my vaccination or my cure, so it would be also helpful to achieve my
Mm.
goals.
And what disease are we talking about here? Like, what is the disease that we are trying to cure? Think about that.
Okay, nowadays Corona is going on, so I
Yeah,
would like I would like to have a cure for
coronavirus. Mm.
coronavirus.
Mm.
Yes.
Right. And what kind of cure would it be? A vaccine or what? A vaccine is already there. Come up with something more imaginative.
Okay. I would like to make some kind of juice,
Hmm.
so it would be easy to drink, and it would be like fruit juice.
Hmm.
So
And
people, yes, yes.
okay, okay.
So people would not feel like
They are,
they are taking medicine or pills.
yeah,
I would like to make this kind of medicine or juice or anything
yeah.
or
Something that is
cure. Yeah,
edible. Yeah. That's very thoughtful of you to come up with flavorful medication.
yes.
That too in
I,
form of a juice. Yeah.
I'm a person who fascinated by fruits. I
Who
can say
is fascinated?
who is fascinated by
Food.
fruits.
Fruits. Okay. Okay.
Fruits.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Whenever I go any shop,
Go to
go to yes. Whenever I go to the shop of fruits,
whenever
and
I go to a fruit shop.
whenever I go to a fruit shop, so once I see the different color of fruits, it makes me very I didn't get the proper word,
Excited?
excited, or I feel like I should buy all fruits.
Okay. Probably the the child inside of you wants to buy everything that's there on the shop
Yeah,
on the display.
the color of the different color of different fruits attract me.
Very good. The different colors of different fruits attract me.
Yes.
Right. Yeah. Fruits are very beautiful. I mean, they come in all size, shapes, and colors, and that is actually very interesting. For children, we have this activity in school also, no, where they recognize what fruit is this, and they associate a particular color with the fruit and all.
Even
It's
you
because
don't
it's interesting.
even
Hmm.
you don't imagine. Once I went to for holidays, and I stayed in a resort kind of place, and I got um um I didn't get the name, custard
Well,
apple. I really like to eat custard apple.
okay.
So in that resort, I sat in afternoon in chair in their uh,
In the
cafeteria
lobby.
area,
Okay.
yes, lobby, and I sit like very calm, and I ate 3 to 4 custard apple. Yes,
Custard
and I
apple.
was, yeah, custard apples, and I was like, I was sitting, I'm like,
As
yeah,
I, as if I was sitting at my home.
yes, yes,
So
as
comfortable.
Yes.
Eating custard apples. Custard apples bring a lot of comfort to you.
I mean, I want to say that people go in restaurants or any resorts to feel the amenities and environment of that place.
The
But
luxury.
but I was
Being
eating.
all desi.
Yes,
Lovely,
yes,
lovely. Okay. So yeah, this custard apple journey was nice. Some corrections here.
yeah,
Before starting this whole custard apple journey, you said आप मानोगे नहीं,
yes.
right? It should be said as you even you won't believe.
Okay, wait for a minute. Even,
Hmm. Even you won't believe. Yeah, you won't even believe any which ways.
okay, yeah,
Mhm.
all right. Even
Okay.
you won't
Believe.
believe.
हाँ, rather than saying you won't imagine, it's more about believing. कि मैं मानूंगा नहीं, right?
Okay, so
Then you should have said that I sat calmly. शांति से
okay,
बैठी
I
हुई थी.
sat calmly.
I said calmly. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Coming to your what if corrections now.
okay,
Very imaginative. Very nice. It's very important to answer the question also. So the question particularly asks you about what disease you want to cure. So make sure you mention that. Make sure you even
okay,
think of that, right? So
all right.
what students generally do, they read the question and they get lost in imagination. They don't read it twice or thrice. So I always recommend whenever you get a question, read it twice or thrice because sometimes you miss particular elements of the question which actually define the whole question,
Okay,
right?
okay,
So one thing that another one is yeah, for yourself you used which, you should have used who. For example, you said it's me or it's I which needs to be cured.
okay,
It should be it's I who needs to be cured. Okay.
okay.
Another thing, our prime minister of my country nahi, the prime minister of our country, the prime minister.
Yeah.
Either say our prime minister simply and full stop, finish the sentence there, or say the prime minister of our country if it gets prolonged with our country and all.
Okay, so here I must mention country. That's the reason. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, you can't say um uh, like if I literally translate it to Hindi, it will not even make some sense. um मेरे मेरे देश के हमारे प्रधानमंत्री doesn't
Okay.
make sense.
It is funny.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, so it should be the prime minister of my
Okay. The
country.
prime minister of my country.
Yeah, correct. Last correction, which is also new thing. Probably you know about it, but when it comes to imagination, when it comes to the case of imagination, particularly using what if, when you say na, मैं ऐसा होता, like काश की, या like क्या होता अगर मैं एस्ट्रोनॉट होता,
Like
right?
I wish I
I
could
wish,
be.
yeah, I could be. So basically, generally we say I wish I was the prime minister of the country. I wish I was an astronaut. But in subjunctive, we generally replace the was with were.
Okay.
So this might seem grammatically incorrect to many that I wish I were the prime minister, or what if I were the prime minister. It's actually correct. Why?
Okay.
Because were here suggests imagination. You are not the prime minister. You're just imagining to be the prime minister. So were suggests that agar मैं होता तो,
Okay.
right? So there was a sentence where you said it would be really nice. I can't rephrase. I can't like say the whole thing. I can't quote you, but I can
Okay.
rephrase. You said it would be really nice if the prime minister is cured by my medicine. So here replace the is with were because it's an imagination,
Yes.
right?
Okay.
Even
Okay.
if it's singular, plural, doesn't matter. The is will be replaced by were.
All right. So if
बहुत
okay.
अच्छा होता कि अगर प्राइम मिनिस्टर मेरी दवाई से ठीक होते. Say it all again in
So I
English.
don't need. I cannot put was. Every
Hmm.
time I need to put were.
Were, because it's an
Okay.
imagination.
All right. Great.
Try saying that again.
Okay. It would be great if our Prime Minister were cured by my medicine.
Cured.
Cured, cured.
Hmm.
Okay, were cured.
Cured. Yeah.
So every time I need to put third form of verb after
Yeah.
verb.
Because this is a passive sentence, no? It's a
Oh,
passive formation,
yes, 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 yes. I got you.
right? You talked about money making machine. Money making would have a hyphen in between. Money making. Put a hyphen if you have a not.
I didn't
Between money and making, there needs to be hyphen.
hyphen.
Yeah, because money making will become an adjective then. पैसा
Okay,
बनाने वाली machine,
okay, all
right?
right.
Otherwise, the machine, the kind of a machine जिसमें पैसा बनता है, जिसे हम टकसाल बोलते हैं. We call it टकसाल.
Taksal, yes.
In English, it's called mint.
Mint. Could you
Mint.
could you spell it?
Just like Pudina.
Okay, okay.
So yeah, it's also a verb. We say it like, I will mint a lot of money.
I will mint a
A
lot
lot
of.
of money. पैसा छापूंगी.
Okay. A
I
lot of.
would mint. Yeah. Write all of this in would because it's an
Okay.
imagination.
All right.
Right? मैं पैसा छापती. I would. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Great. So this was all about the what if activity here at Pingolearn. I hope you enjoyed this activity.
I enjoyed a lot.
Okay. So tell me what all you learned from this activity.
All right. So lots of things or
Lots of
things.
lots of things.
Lots of things I learned by this activity. Like I have already knew what should be the structure. Like would
I already knew.
I already knew, but yeah, this is sort of activity that I can use what if and would or could, this kind of structure in a correct way.
Yeah. This activity makes you use it in a correct way,
Yes,
right?
yes, and also I learned a new concept word I didn't know before.
Yeah.
You
Very good.
told me. You say, how can I say? Means I didn't know before. You're
Before
saying
you told me.
you told me.
Yeah.
Yes, didn't know before you told me. I know about this word, but I didn't know that use of
That is,
this.
you didn't know
Yes,
this concept. It's new
yes,
to you, right?
yes.
No
And
worries.
also, I came to know a new word for
पैसा
machine.
पैसा छापना.
Yes,
Mint money.
mint.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it is very
You would mint a
interesting.
lot of money.
I liked a lot
That's
this
great.
session.
You like this? I like this session a lot. Put the a lot at end. I like this
Okay,
session a lot.
okay. So if I say I liked, because
Hmm. Still the same.
can I
Still the
use
same. This
I
session
liked this
a lot.
session a lot, a lot. Okay,
Perfect.
okay.
Perfect. Great. Thank you so much, Megha. It was great meeting you again, and it's always a pleasure having a class with you. I hope we
Thank you.
continue, doing these classes and meeting again and again.
I I love to do that because I enjoy these sort of activities, and I actually learn something
Stuff. Yeah.
in interesting way,
Yeah.
playful way,
Yeah.
and it is like I uh, don't take
Stress
uh,
of learning, probably.
stress, or yeah, I'm not feeling that I'm learning something.
Yeah.
It's
You
like
feel that.
I'm playing something.
Yeah, that's exactly what our objective is at Pingo Learn, that the students do not feel burdened with, the study material and they're like, oh my God, I have to attend a class. They should be looking forward to the class, like, oh my God, there's a class today. I'm excited. This should be
Yes,
the attitude. So
yes,
this is how we bring it about. Okay, great.
that is amazing. That is amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'll wish you a great day ahead. I hope this whole imagination of yours comes true and your what if turns into it is.
Please
Okay.
don't say this, because if this would come
True.
uh, true, so the IT organization, income tax organization,
Will raid my house.
always will there in my house. So I don't want to do that.
I don't want that to happen.
Yeah, I don't want
That to happen.
that to happen. Okay.
Great.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so
Lovely.
much.
Take care of yourselves, Megha. Bye.
Bye bye. You too.